not working.
But it's stupid.
What's stupid?
The computer.
You look like a blanket monster.
I am.
Can you like make blanket monster's arms come out?
No.
Ah, blanket monster! We must slay blanket monster with pillow man and feet on the pillow.
Ew. You're lying.
About what?
You said you weren't fitting. I have glasses on, you dipshit. You're gonna break them.
With a pillow?
Yes.
It's a friggin' pillow. You can't break anything with a pillow.
It's your foot.
It's your foot.
Ah! I just Ow. I just want the hood out.
Is that too much to ask?
Pop it, lock it, polka dot it, country father, hip hop it. Put your hawk in the sky, move side to side.
This lifeless blanket is singing.
Stick it, glide.
Glad!
Zigzag, cross the floor, shuffle in diagonal when the drum hits, hands on your hips, 1 foot in, 180 twist.